DJI, a brand known for its industry-leading drones, is now on its way to stepping into the mirrorless camera market. With DJI's acquisition of a majority stake in Hasselblad back in 2017, rumours of the DJI Osmo X are heating up, a potential mirrorless camera that could blend DJI's innovation with Hasselblad's legacy. In today's video, we'll break down the latest leaks, discuss possible features, and explore when we can see the DJI Osmo X with a possible price tag. Let's get started. The DJI Osmo X is rumoured to feature a sleek, retro-inspired design that combines modern technology with classic aesthetics. Drawing some inspiration from the Hasselblad X1D, the Osmo X could adopt a minimalist body, offering a compact and ergonomic feel ideal for photographers and videographers. The build is expected to be robust, yet lightweight, providing durability without sacrificing portability. The camera may feature a large, high-resolution 3.6-inch touchscreen, similar to the X1D's display, allowing for easy framing and quick adjustments on the go. An OLED electronic viewfinder could also be part of the package, offering sharp and vibrant image previews, particularly beneficial in bright conditions. The use of premium materials could make the Osmo X feel solid in hand while maintaining a refined look. Overall, the design would likely aim to appeal to both professional photographers and casual users, blending form and function seamlessly. The DJI Osmo X is expected to come equipped with a full-frame sensor, a step up from the medium format sensor found in the Hasselblad X1D. This change would make the Osmo X more versatile and appealing to both high-end photographers and videographers who require professional quality performance in a more compact form. A potential L mount, also known as the DL mount, would allow for a variety of lenses to be attached, similar to other high-end mirrorless systems like Leica's lineup. The camera may offer a 50-megapixel or higher resolution. This full-frame sensor could be paired with advanced image processing capabilities, providing high dynamic range and low light performance. Expect features like burst shooting, slow motion capture, and high-resolution video for demanding professional applications. Battery life might also be enhanced to handle extensive photo and video shoots, crucial for content creators on the move. The DJI Osmo X is likely to come packed with a range of features tailored to meet the needs of both professional and aspiring photographers and videographers. The most notable of these is its full-frame sensor, which will deliver excellent image quality with stunning detail, wide dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance. Given DJI's experience in the drone and camera stabilization fields, the Osmo X will likely include a powerful in-body image stabilization system, ensuring smooth shots even in dynamic or handheld environments. Video capabilities will likely include 4K recording at up to 60 FPS, delivering crisp, high-definition footage with rich colors and details. The Osmo X may also include advanced autofocus technology, enabling fast and precise focusing, crucial for capturing fleeting moments with clarity. Its design and performance will be favorable for both photo and video-centric creators, with options for both still photography and cinematic shots. In terms of software, the Osmo X is expected to leverage DJI's proprietary imaging technology, which could include advanced color profiles similar to Hasselblad's natural color science. This would provide a visually pleasing, true-to-life representation of colors in a wide range of lighting conditions. For video creators, features like 10-bit color depth and HDR support could further enhance visual storytelling, especially in post-production. A robust menu system and user-friendly controls will also make the camera approachable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Additionally, DJI's commitment to connectivity will likely include wireless transfer and app integration, letting users easily share content, control the camera remotely, or edit footage on the go. While rumors indicate that the DJI Osmo X could be announced sometime this year, DJI has yet to provide an official release date. If the camera is indeed set to compete with established brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, it would likely launch in the first half of the year to coincide with key industry events. As for the price, expectations are that the Osmo X could be priced between $3,000 and $5,000, putting it in a premium range with high-end mirrorless cameras. This pricing would align with the camera's expected professional-grade features while still being accessible to serious enthusiasts. The mirrorless camera market is already incredibly crowded, with companies like Sony, Canon, and Nikon dominating the space. These industry leaders have built strong reputations for their reliable performance and high-quality imaging, but DJI's Osmo X could bring something fresh to the table. The Sony a7 IV comes with a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor and supports 4K video at up to 60 FPS, making it an excellent choice for both photographers and videographers. It offers superb autofocus with real-time eye tracking and a reliable 10-bit color depth. In contrast, the Osmo X is expected to feature a similar full-frame sensor, but with a focus on a unique design and perhaps enhanced color science, influenced by DJI's partnership with Hasselblad. The Canon EOS R6 is another strong competitor, offering a 20-megapixel full-frame sensor with 4K video and impressive in-body image stabilization. It's known for its fast autofocus and low light capabilities, but the Osmo X might stand out with its rumored retro design and more compact form, aiming at both performance and portability. Additionally, the Leica M10 and Hasselblad X1D50C set the bar for premium, high-end mirrorless options. The Leica M10 offers manual controls and incredible image quality, but lacks video recording. The Hasselblad X1D50C uses a 50-megapixel medium format sensor, excelling in stills but missing video capabilities. The Osmo X could offer a balanced approach by combining high-quality stills with 4K video in a more versatile and accessible form. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo X shows a lot of promise with its potential blend of modern technology and Hasselblad-inspired design. It has the potential to challenge established competitors like Sony, Canon, and Leica, with its unique combination of full-frame image quality, 4K video capabilities, and innovative features like in-body image stabilization and advanced autofocus. While we can't be sure about every detail just yet, the Osmo X is looking up to be an exciting addition to the mirrorless camera market. However, as with any unconfirmed release, we should wait for official announcements to get a clearer picture of its true capabilities and final specifications. Until then, the rumors and hype surrounding it is a sight to enjoy for every camera enthusiast. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on this upcoming DJI mirrorless camera? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this.